Good day, everybody. I've got this solar parking lot light to do an unboxing and review on. These nice folks from YONGFENG sent this to me for an unboxing and review. Let's check this baby out. If you're in the market for one of these, I'll put the ordering link in the description. Here's everything that came in the box. So you got the light, which I'm going to flip over right now so I can maximize the sunlight on this thing. Start getting some sun on there so I can test it out tonight. And this piece here is the mounting bracket. And we're going to unscrew that and flip it over, and this will insert in there. And this piece too goes right here if you want to put it around a 4x4 or a fence post. I like to just take my lag bolts and go right into it right there. And you got a remote for it. Some fasteners here. I won't be using these ones, but it's nice to have just in case I ever do need to use them. And these here too go with this kind of configuration. Here's a little message from the company. YONGFENG creates stylish, durable solar lamps for sustainable living. Their mission is to make clean energy accessible and affordable while supporting the environment. Join us in making the world a brighter, cleaner, and more beautiful place, one solar lamp at a time. Okay, to make sure you got the right angle here. By the way, this wrench is from another project, so I just used it. Worked for those bolts for pulling these out. But you want to make sure you got this thing on the opposite side of the solar panel. Now we'll go ahead and put this piece on here. And we can put these screws right back in where we pulled them out from. Put the nut on the back side. One thing that helps with this assembly, these front pieces are real easy. These ones here, you got to get the nut down in there. So just drop it down in there as best you can. If you get lucky, it'll sit flat, and then run this from underneath. And the configuration of this will hold that nut in place. All right, here's the light, and I'm mounting it to this long pole here. If you're going to mount this thing in the upright position, I would recommend removing the light from the post, installing the post first, and then attaching the light and then tightening it down. If you're doing it this way, or you're laying it flat, you're just fine. As long as you can find something to kind of support this, or use the two-person method, have somebody hold this while you screw it in down there. Oh my goodness, this baby is bright. I love it. Yellow. So this is for brighter, less bright. And then this here adjusts the shade as well. See that? Fully bright, and then just kind of half bright, or it's at a reduced brightness. And then this is all your hourly settings here. You could set it for 3 hours, 5 hours, or 8 hours. You could set it to auto. Here's the remote directions. So you got your on and off, of course, like I mentioned. And then when switched to the off position, the lights will not function and won't automatically turn on the following day. To activate the lights, they must be manually turned on using the remote control. Then this full brightness, half brightness, increased brightness, or decreased brightness. You have white light, and warm white toggle. And then this one here, the one I didn't show, that is the motion sensor mode for 12 hours, automatically turning off during the day and turning on at night. And then these, after 3, 5, or 8 hours of fixed 100% brightness, the device will switch to motion sensor mode using those. And then this here, the button on the left, that's constant illumination for 12 hours, automatically turning off during the day, turning on at night. All right, guys, thanks for watching.